As Marvel guys now all over the place. Coming from a martial art family, you surely know what he's doing when it comes to protecting people around him and saving the world. But hey, how do you pronounce his names in the first place? This video will come super handy, especially if you're a non-native English speaker. This channel is all about taking your pronunciation to the next level so that you can boost your own confidence. Considering subscribing is probably a good idea, but if you do it right now, that's even better. This is a word that came into the English language from Chinese. As with words of this type or loan words, there are different ways to pronounce it. The bottom line is, people around you are going to understand you. In Mandarin Chinese, this word is pronounced Shang Chi, or in my native language, Cantonese, ́ʃæŋ. So in English, you would like to pronounce it as Shang Chi, Shang Chi, Shang Chi. The first word rhymes with bang, sand, and land. The second has a CH sound as in church and choice. Once again, Shang Chi, Shang Chi. You may like to know that, as with many other Chinese words, this is a two-part word or two-syllable word. The stress is usually on the second syllable. So it's Shang Chi, not Shang Chi, like what you would do with dim sum, not dim sum, and Hong Kong, not Hong Kong, where I am from. Also, you would not separate the two words in any situation as with any other Chinese names. So Shang is never short for Shang-Chi, or Chi for that matter. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, share it, leave a comment below. Maybe you'd like to click here to see me explaining the pronunciation of the new COVID variant. Until next time, ciao.